Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a hand and nail polish. Let's start drawing. Firstly, I draw a hand like this. I love drawing and painting a hand. Trying to draw and paint with me. I draw a bracelet like a circle shape. And a heart. I draw nails. Here is a heart ring. Amazing. And I draw a nail polish right here.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Good job! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Cream. I use cream color for skin. I'm going to decorate this beautiful hand with the color of rainbow.
Beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all
Red,
through the town.
orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple,
Go up and down,
red,
and down, up and down.
light blue.
Bus go up and down.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Blue, pink, orange, awesome, red. Look, it's a nice hand. See you on the next video.